Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we're see Linux troubleshoot, another command, very essential command. This is a Netstat. Let's go. Netstat is a network tool. Use the troubleshooting the configure them and can server and monitoring tool and cover network. Let's go. First of all, we are see have Netstat, just Netstat command here. Have no installation, must be in installation. First of all, we are in installation. Let us start. I think it's done now. We are again just Netstat. All command here is C. Let's go. Just see how to into the PDF program. Just we are see Netstat. N. N for number, U for UDP, T for TCP, P for programmer, and a listen to shell. Just word say see all socket. Just add the see all TCP there TCP port. Just UDP port. Where C where C filtering SSH port, HTTP port. We have no port. We are just specific 443 which port here is added to port here is added. We are just filtering here and see this port number. We are also see our port. Thanks for watching. We are next another troubleshooting command.